welcome to my vlog. I'm here at Puro 4 Bandlinaw, Ganyan, Surigao del Sur. I'm gonna show you guys how our coastal area here, situation in our coastal area is here. So, we are here today at the mangroves area. So, this is their way. So, daan po to nila papunta po sa dagat. As you can see, there are a lot of mangroves here. Hello guys, I'm here at there. As you can see po, there are lots of mangroves. The one who's planted that mangroves is the people who are living in Puro 4 Bandlinaw, Surigao del Sur. They plant these trees to protect the community. So, I'm gonna show you guys where do we get the mangrove seedlings. So we are here at the mangrove tree. I see something here. Oh my god, wait. So this is the mangrove tree, guys. A big mangrove tree. So I'm gonna show you the seedling of the mangroves. Wait. Ouch. Oh my god. So as you can see, this one, this is the mangrove seedlings. So look at this, guys. This is the mangrove seedlings. And this one, if you plant this will grow as big. So that is the mangrove seedlings, guys. So we are here today, guys. The bridge which I am here now. This is the bridge. Papunta po sa dagat. So there are a lot of mangroves. Just enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view. Hello. Later on, guys, I'm gonna show you how to plant the mangrove trees. I'm gonna show you on how to plant a mangrove tree. So I have here the seedlings of the mangrove tree. Jan. So if you plant this, it's a very simple. 1 meter distancing. Next. Diba? Kita pa kong kuan.
Kinasang.
Ano dito kinahanglan? This one. This. And, diba? See? Yes. So, we're done in planting. So, this is the seagrass. I got seashells. So, this is how our mangroves protect our community. It was
Go.
So that's all. I hope you enjoy. Bye!
I